Halor ka jingut jingnam jogi Nongshong Shnong ki basa ha ka jaka Khappud ka Maikhuli bat Assam kam tam kitu ki basyong hapo Maikhuli ha ka arp kundai trik benai leber hajar arpuar kinong elam jong ka Trinamool Congress na Maikhuli bakenthop yu Zenith sangma ubadiu MLA karang sakona bat Wenesan di sangma ubadiu MLA ka Salman para kilelet jingo ya ki breu ki basyong ha ka ngathan bat kila penlong ru ya ki jingelang Paidbah ha ka Shnong Maikhuli ka bahab ag distrik Ribhoi. Yakni kejingelang lepen long menekren halor karai ke Badangshan Malaysia dan ke Sorkar MDA ha Maikhuli ha ka bakalarai ban IT no ya katto kani gibenta jong kani Shnong bakenthop ke pung jong kani Shnong ha Maikhuli syaka Assam hadin belekren bani penbet yo put usam ha padang kejela Maikhuli bat Assam bat ha ba kini Nongshong Shnong ha Maikhuli ru klepen pau ya kejing Pyrshah halor kani karai jong ke Sorkar Maikhuli. Hakani kejenglet jengo Zenith sangma rengkat bagi Nongshong Shnong kilet jengo iki katto kani gibenta ki bahab agathan barapathar bat Yongkhuli. Hakani kejengelang lawan menishim bentar Zenith sangma rengkat bat Wenesan di sangma bat kumjuru kinongelam jangka Garo Students Union Nongshong Shnong jangka Maikhuli urang bat Shnong bat kiwe-kiwe. Zenith sangma ulong bagi breu jangka negathan kila od ana manyo ekejengerap pat man kapor ki jusha penthot haki breu jangka Assam. Kiliat ru baya ka jaka ya kejat na footpath balashna hapo ke MGNREGA balamang na Sorkar Maikhuli nrai ke Sorkar Assam kalapan prano ekania bakala thaw la ka jong ka office Sorkar ha ka jaka ka barang hap hapo ke Maikhuli bat kila kedo bakani ka panpawe ke jing telot jong ke Sorkar Maikhuli ha kani ke jing ekran bat ki briu ge besyong hangni u Zenith sangma ulong ba u menteri rang ba ke jela ulelam bakla yak yang dorbar thawan kejela ke barang long dangshan hagaba anda kilawan hakini ke Shnong kilalap bakalong dakumwei nrei u menteri rang ba apat upen pau dakumwei ke yang dorbar bat ulak dawru ba u menteri rang ba ulong balai soy ke soskular hadian balasyem ya kejing menjur jong kibreu nrei uong ban lapoi ke negathan pat shmlayo ai ruem ya kejing menjur jong kibreu
that we can never allow to share our piece of land with the people of Assam. So they want protection. They want help from the leaders. They are being helpless because they don't have the authority. But the people who are having the authority, they are not coming to help them out, to bail them out. So where they will go? So rather we may come what may, will never allow to snatch our land. That is their person. Now, their apprehension is that maybe in this ongoing parliamentary session, they will enact this, and maybe they are going to lose their land. That is the thing. So now, on the floor of the House in the just concluded budget session, the Chief Minister of Maikhuli assured that by hearing the will of the people, what is their desire, what they want, whether they want to be part of Maikhuli or part of Assam. By hearing their voice, then only we are deciding, and whatever the people have agreed, accordingly we are acting upon. But when we come to the ground zero, we could see that people residing in this locality, they are completely against the decision of parting this area, the portion of this area with Assam. And no one so far from the government side, whether it is Chief Minister or any other ministers of the cabinet, have come to see what is happening in the ground zero, and without just looking at all this, they have just done the paperwork, sitting in the AC room. Probably they might have signed a MOU, and what we could see is one-sidedly the Assam counterpart, whatever decision they are taking, our Chief Minister might be endorsing what the decision is taken by the Assam counterpart.